Restoring the wheels on a 2005 Kia Amanti. These wheels have the original paint, many scratches on the back side, some damage on the front side. These letters will be ground off with a die grinder. Damage from wheel weights, but after the repairs are finished, I'll be using tape weights on the back. The wheels have been cleaned real good, and now I'm doing the wet sanding with wet or dry 3M black paper, 400 grit. Masking off the back side for primer. Wheels primed in PPG primer sealer. 2 coats of base coat factory silver, then 2 coats of European clear over that, PPG. I always paint the backside first, carefully masking off all the wheel holes, as you see here. Then the front side is painted silver and clear coated. The lug nuts are primed and painted silver. These Kia hubcaps are available online restored, but I wanted to do my own restoration. First, I removed the wheel center retaining clip and all the screws. The little fake chrome screws can be carefully removed with a very small screwdriver, prying away at the tabs. These retaining tabs didn't break and were reused. I took a toothbrush and cleaned up the fake chrome screws. I found these emblems on Etsy. They come in all sizes, and they come from Germany. They are made from a high-quality flexible plastic with self-adhesive. The outer ring painted with PPG and 2 coats of clear, and the completed center cap. One had a slight crack that I repaired on the back side by plastic welding, and the finished restored wheel. I do my own balancing using tape weights on the back side. Thanks for watching, and there will be many more Kia repair videos on YouTube.